Well, hello and welcome back. So, with all these RVs around here, I wanted to try to make them so that they could plug one in anywhere you wanted to. So, here's a 50, a 30, and a 20. And look, you got a 50, and a 30, and a 20. Oh, nice color. And then look at this one. Oh, what's going on here? These are nice and secure, but why? What's happened here? So, what we're going to do is open this up and see what's going on. Now, I ordered these off of eBay, and they arrived in these beautiful boxes here, and they're all wrapped up. This is still their packing material. I opened them up right here. And this is my first time actually trying to crack them in here. It's really well done. Okay. Hold on a second. Let's get to snap. Alright. 4 screws out. What we got in here? What's happening here? And then, look, you can put them like anywhere you want, right? So why wouldn't you just slide them over? And, Alright. Look at that. Okay. Neutral bar. Ground bar. Alright. Let's take a look at this. Now, what we want is to not lose my screws. So let's take the screws out. Okay. We'll put them. No. Where does that one go? There you are. That. All right. Let me. What is it? Literally just held on by these 2 screws. Okay. Loosen. Get in there. This is not the proper tool for this. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, hold it. What size is this? Okay, hold on. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Push them all over, and I want to twist this back the way it was. Try not to break it, but basically, yeah, I'm going to push all them over to right there where this guy is, and then tighten them up. Need 2 hands for that. Okay, hold on. Right, I went and lined them all up. Tighten them all in. Now, this guy, which way is that bent? Which way? Okay, hold on. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Here we go. I think I either turn it back the way it was or turn it all the way around the circle. It's nice and flat now. Put this in here. Did I move that one over by accident? What's going on here? Oh, there we go. Ta-da! Ta-da! Alright, I'm happy with that. There you go. Okay, dokie. Now, since I'm here, I should pop these open and take a look inside there anyway. Okay? Just because. What's going on here? There we go. Just have to line that up and screw it in. Let's take these off really fast, okay? America gets a squeeze-all. Okay, see what's in here. Shall we? What is behind door panel number 2? What do you got here? What do I got here? Some good-looking wiring here, right? Okay, how about some light? Right? Alright. That looks pretty good. Okay. Okay. So on the bus bar. Right? So basically, that's what you're doing, like it says. Line. Dut, dut. Dut, dut. This is going to come in here somewhere. Dut, dut. And we decide how we want to do it. Okay, so I think I'll just put these together loosely. Yeah. Okay, hold on. There she says. Ta-da! Alright. So just keep that don't fall off. Don't fall off. Not putting them on as tight as they were. Just tight enough. Snug. Okay. Ta-da! Did I do that? I don't know. I don't think I did. They're nice units though. Happy with that. Happy with that. Yeah. Alright, hey, thanks for watching. Love you later, bye.